Hey guys, welcome back. This is Anya. As we know, for the battery pack, it is very convenient for our daily life. You can see for this small system, this battery pack to power these air conditions and through the inverters. For this battery pack, it's already working for 2 years. Yes, if you guys know StarMax well, the first video about this battery pack is here. Yes, almost past 2 years and now still work very well. Today's video, I'm not to introduce for you guys about our Xinhong brand 15 kWh battery pack. The main point that is today, I'd like to divide each part cost of the battery pack and to see if the battery pack you bought is real brand new grade A. Okay, follow my camera to see the details part of the battery pack. First, that is the box cost. The DIY box kit with the BMS, with the screen, with the wheel, and with the factory assemble cost, packing cost,
minimum
is $300 for this one. Yes, $300. And now in the market, some guys claim that they can got the 16 kWh of the battery pack cost only $1,150. Okay, let's do a math calculation. 1,150 subscribe to the $300, then the battery sale cost is only $850. And then use this $850 divided to the 16 pieces of the cell inside. Then you will got the sales cost only $53. So, you guys, if you know the market well, now in this market, can you get the 314 ampere lithium iron phosphate battery cell in the market only 53 in a real brand new grade A cell? So if you got the quotation from the supplier, you can ask them what is the cell inside they build. And also there have some guys, they claim that they are using the grade A cell. Ask them to provide the testing report. Yes, each of the battery cell from the manufacturer, if the A grade, they will have the testing report like this way. So you can search each of the cell inside the testing report and can be matched for your battery pack. This is the best way to know what the cell they build inside the battery pack. For this battery pack from StarMax, we build with the Hyzen 280 ampere. Yes, we sold many type of battery cell from this. Until now, this battery pack is connected to the grid power and collect the electricity during the night and during the day it will power our air condition. Until now, it still work very well. And in the next video, I will bring you guys about this battery pack, how much the capacity decay within these 2 years. The rated is 280 ampere. After 2 years, how much the capacity decay? This series video, I will update for you guys later. Now in StarMax, we sell the battery pack like this way. We tell you guys what is the DIY box kit cost, what is the sales cost, and then you guys combine them together. You will know what the real brand new grade A cell made the battery pack, how much they cost. These ways can be more transparent between customer and us. We didn't hide any information between this transaction. And if you want to know more details about the DIY box kit cost or the battery sales cost, you can consult with our sales lady. And this is Anya. See you in this video. Bye bye.